All right, today we're gonna be talking about the 8-inch chef knife from KYOKU. And this is gonna be the one from their Shogun series. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look what's inside. So I'm gonna pull this open here and be very careful because I've heard these blades are extremely sharp. You're gonna see you've got a little foam cover on top. And it's nice because they also give you a sheath as well. So you can see if you wanted to store this away, you can keep it here in the sheath like this. Very good presentation with the box also. So if you're giving this away as a gift to someone, I mean, this feels like someone has just given me a gift, which I really like. It has this little sleeve over here on the top with a little phoenix design or some type of goose design on it. And then you open this up. This opens up like this, and then you can see there's a perfect cutout on the inside for the blade. Here it is inside of the sheath, and let's go ahead and pull the sheath off and we can take a look at it. Wow, that looks amazing. Look at all the detail inside of there. You can see it's almost like a, I'm not sure how to explain this, but almost like when you have bubbles, you know, and you see kind of like all that weird flowy texture in there. That looks so cool. And then we've got this hammered metal up here on the top. And this is gonna be a 67 layer knife. So 67 layers of metal here, a VG10 steel core, and of course, this was made in Japan, which is arguably the best country to get knives from. All right, let's go ahead and do a quick test real quick. We'll do a paper test and, oh, that's smooth. Let's do that again. Oh, I mean, come on. It doesn't get any better than that. I mean, sharp, straight out of the box. I didn't do any type of sharpening or anything like that for the video. Let's just keep going here because, wow, look at that. Wow, that's amazing. Now I've been looking for a knife, something kind of like an all-arounder knife, something that I can use to cut meat, that I can cut vegetables, pretty much anything with, kind of like one of those knives that you just use when you're not sure, you know, you don't have a specific use case exactly. This is the type of knife that you're gonna grab. It also has a very nice weight distribution to it. So you've got this heavy handle right here. You're gonna see that there is a very cool design, almost like a bronze right there in the middle. And then the actual wood grain look of this, it's gonna be a black on silver. And I mean, this thing just looks amazing. This is one of those knives that you kind of just wanna leave out. If I had some type of knife display, maybe that's the next thing I need to get is something that I can magnetically put this up against so you could visually see this, because this thing is literally a piece of art. I mean, this looks amazing. So this would be a good piece to have out on your kitchen. This also makes for an amazing gift, not only because it comes, you know, boxed very well, but anybody that loves to cook would absolutely love having one of these in their collection. Over here on the other side, you're gonna see that there's also a little bit of logo and branding right there. Let's see if I can get it to focus on it right there. A little bit of logo and branding, which looks really cool. I'm not sure if KYOKU is that symbol right there, but I mean, this thing just looks absolutely amazing. Now, because this is an 8-inch chef's knife, this is mostly gonna be used for fish and types of meat. But like I said, you really could use this for anything. It's an all-around type of knife. Now, one of the other things I wanna mention here is that this brand also have a bunch of other different types of knives. They have meat cleavers, they have paring knives, kitchen utility knives, boning knives. I mean, they've literally got everything. So if the 8-inch meat knife like this one right here, this one, if this isn't gonna do it for you, if you're looking for something that's more specific, maybe for other different types of use cases, then I would recommend looking on the variations or clicking on the brand name and seeing what else they have. We do have one other knife from this brand and we absolutely love it. We've been using it for quite some time and we wanted to get something that we could use for more of an all-around use case. So whether you're looking for a knife for yourself, maybe to make things easier and just have a beautiful display piece, or if you're looking to get a gift for someone who loves cooking, I think that this is an amazing option. And for the price, I feel like this is an amazing value. If you actually go to Japan or have ever been to the knife making factories out there, you'll know that they can come in and be very expensive. So something like this, I feel like is amazingly affordable for the quality that you're getting. It's got a nice heavy weight to it, a beautiful handle, an amazing design all around, and this thing is freaking sharp. So if you're looking for an amazing knife, then I would definitely recommend picking one of these up.